Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. For live sessions, feel free to reach out to us and below mentioned number. And also to stay updated, we will be keep on uploading the videos related to the ServiceNow. So you can subscribe our channel and click on the notification button so that whenever we are uploading the videos, you will be getting notified. And also one request from my end, whenever if you see, usually I talk bit very slow, so that you will be watching the videos at 1.25x speed, okay, so that you will be finished the video very quickly, okay. So in this video, let's try to understand in short and simple way about the client script, okay. Introduction to the client script and different types of client scripts, what types of client scripts are there, and introduction to the client script, and where and when to use different types of client scripts, and what is the best practices, or whenever you are writing the client script, what you wanted to be look into more and writing the effective client scripts, okay. So let's see introduction to the client script. So it is there in the name itself, client script. So client script always will be executed at the browser side in the ServiceNow. So it will not be performed any actions related to the database like CRUD operations. So always client script will be executed at the form level in the application. So there is a button. I want this button or field to be mandatory or visible, right? Or I need to keep some alert. There are different kind of operations can be done by the client scripts at only form level. So that is the client script introduction. So if you see different types of client scripts in the ServiceNow, or there is different kind of client scripts. That is first, okay, on-load client script, and next on cell edit client script, next on change client script, and next on submit. So there are total 4 types of client scripts in the ServiceNow, okay. Every client script name will be started with on, and on load, on cell edit, on change, on submit. In the next videos, I will try to explain in a simple way, take the example at each and every service, each and every client script, and we'll try to look into more each and every client script type. So now you got an idea. There are 4 types of client scripts. Okay. Next, in the application, but how I can be able to write if any client script. So if I talk about on load, what is on load, you will be understanding in the next video. So but how I can write it in the client script, just you can go to the application. So see, there is a form. I had opened the incident application. So in the incident application, I do have number of fields. So let's say this particular category field I want it to be mandatory or visible. Alright, depends on different conditions. How can I do it? I can go ahead with UI policies, or directly I can be write client scripts also. So also client scripts are very useful. You can be able to use same client scripts in different events. Okay, in the future we will be seeing them. So now how do I write the client script here? Whenever you are going to be write a client script, the form how it will be structured. Okay, and where client script will be stored. So simply I will go here. Okay, there are different kind of ways where you will be navigating into the client script form. So the one way, directly you can search here client scripts, or I can come here, I can click on header. Okay, I will go to configure and client script. So whenever you are going through this way, automatically it will be landed, or the client script, whatever we are going to be written, it will be applicable to this particular form or incident application. So now, or if I go to here, okay, let me search client script. Client script. See, under system definition, there is a option. See, client script under system definition. So if I open this, if I click on this, it will be opening the different kind of client scripts. So how many client scripts are there here? There are almost 19-20 client scripts in the incident application or in the ServiceNow, not in the incident application. Okay, throughout there are different kind of applications. Okay, almost in this instance, okay, in this instance there are 1920 client scripts. Remember, 1920. So now I wanted to write client scripts on the incident table. How can I go? I can simply click on the new. Okay, then it gives me a form. In this form, I need to select the table UI type and the type. Each and every field I will be navigating through in this video. And one thing, remember here, where client scripts will be stored, in which table client scripts will be stored. In the ServiceNow, every application and every targeted scripts or anything will be having its own tables. See here, it will be stored in this table, sys underscore script underscore client. In this particular table, the client scripts will be stored. Any client scripts, it can be any, it can be on load, it can be on sell edit, it can be on change or on submit. Any client script should be stored here. Okay, let's see. So now if you are able to see here, you need to write, you can write simply the client script name. So let's say my client script name or my requirement, okay, something demo underscore on change. Just I am writing the client script. The name I can write here. On which table you wanted to be perform it. On which table in our example, simply I will try to select the table name here. So here you need to select the table name. But if you are already on the incident form, if you are going through over the configure, you don't need to select this. Okay, let's quickly try to see that. If I go here, I will simply give a moment. I will directly go to incident. Okay, see here, I am on the application. I will go to configure and I can be selecting the client scripts. Okay, I will click on new. See what is happening, what is the difference between that way and this way. In this way, automatically the table will be selected. There you need to select the table. Okay, so now here you will be writing the name. Where you will be writing the name, client script name, something demo. The name you can write here. And here you will be selecting different kind of UI types. So the people can be used the ServiceNow application in different devices. That can be desktop, that can be mobile or service portal or all. Try to select all if it is needed, depends on your requirement. And here the type. So just here we have discussed there are four types. Four types. In next video, I will try to take each and every uh, client script type and explain it. For now, I am just selecting something. And the field name, what field or what field you wanted to do, write the client script applicable the condition. Okay, I'm just simply writing something. So here, different kind of fields are there. Active, what is active? If this particular client script, if you wanted to active or inactive, if you want it to be run or you don't want to run, then you will be selecting on and off. The application will be global and inherited. What is inherited here? Inherited is nothing but, let's say I am writing a client script on my incident table. If this client script can be useful on other table or any other table, then you will be seeing inherited. So whatever you are writing in incident table, if you want it to be, get the properties of this particular client script into other table, let's example change application, then you will be making this as marked, if not no. Okay, this is global on different kind of formats, and it's come down on the description level. Description is mostly, description can be written, depends on your requirement. You will be writing your requirement. Why you need to write your requirement? So let's say today you will be working, tomorrow someone comes and started looking into this scripting. What is this and all? They don't understand it. So that you need to follow the standards. You need to write the description. What is the significance of the client script? Okay. Here you will be writing your JavaScript. Here you will be writing the JavaScript. Okay. Depends on the type of client script I am selecting here. This fields will be changing. See, now it is something like this. If I change to other, okay, I might need to, it will be changing usually, somehow it is not. This is what about the client script introduction. In next video, I will try to explain you in a short and simple way what type of APIs can be used in the client script, and each and every method we try to understand with different kind of client scripts. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to share the video and like and comment if you need any doubts. Okay, thank you so much.